Ready for the next craft? Bring your brushes and then let's paint. You need a clean and dry glass jar. I am using the sponge brush to give a base coat with the white acrylic paint. Once paint is dry, let's get creative. I am using the decoupage method to add more details. So I'm getting tropical leaves, palm trees. For decoupage, Mod Podge is an important material to use. After sticking the stickers, I am pressing it with the fingers so to make sure that there is no lumps and protecting it with the Mod Podge by giving a top layer. So here I am adding the border design at the bottom and on the top of the glass jar, and I'm using the yellow color because yellow color is giving the pop-up look. So here I'm adding small details like outlining the border design and outlining the leaves with the golden pen. If you have fine brush, you can use the fine brush to make outlines, and you can choose other colors to outline the things. So here DIY is ready. I am using it to store the paint brushes. Stay tuned for more such DIYs. Thank you.